Today we talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Hang app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on photo profile down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it in this sign. So then you click here on edit, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then it's going to show for you like this here. You come here to my virtues here, and here can you add it your work and your job title and your school here, then education level, regional beliefs here, then hometown and politics. So language spoken here and teaching intentions here or relationship type. Here can you add it your features here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.